Oh come on, not again! You spend 30 minutes setting up lights, microphone, the perfect angle, and your camera dies before you even hit record. Classic, right? But not anymore. Today I'm showing you the simple creator hack that saved my sanity, and it's called dummy battery. So specifically I'm testing the newer dummy battery for Nikon cameras. This one is compatible with ton of Nikon models, though using the EN-EL14 battery, like here my Nikon D5600. Neewer produced these dummy batteries for many models, and I will drop a link in the description below so you can check it out. Now let's set the scenario. You got everything ready, you hyped to film like me right now, you turn on the camera and boom, dead battery. Now you'll have to wait for an hour to charge it, and if you have a second battery it might still die halfway through if your session is long, and nothing kills creativity like a ticking battery countdown. So next time when you see that red battery icon, instead of rushing through your video, sweating and stressing that your camera will shut down while you're recording, you better use this. It looks like a regular battery, but instead of storing power it connects to AC adapter and gives your camera unlimited runtime. As long as your wall has power, you're good. It's perfect for indoor creators, streamers, or anyone who doesn't want to deal with swapping batteries every 45 minutes. Here's how easy it is to set up the newer dummy battery on my Nikon camera. First, remove the original battery. Second, insert the dummy battery. Third, close the compartment and let the cable slide out through the rubber port. Fourth, plug the adapter into the wall. And fifth, power up your camera. And boom, full battery indicator. Now you can film all day if you want. However, I did notice one small issue. When I use my external microphone with the dummy battery, there is a faint buzzing noise. It's not very loud, but if you're wearing headphones or editing the audio, you'll catch it. So this is the sound with the external microphone that I'm using right here, using the dummy battery, and you can hear the buzzing noise. It's there. By using the internal microphone of the DSLR, you cannot hear the buzzing noise, but obviously it's terrible and not recommended. Of course you can easily fix it in the post or just use a separate mic for clean audio. The internal microphone of the camera works totally fine, no buzzing sounds there. If anybody knows why it's making it and if there is any fix, letting me know in the comment section below. Look, if you're a creator filming indoors, YouTube, tutorials, streaming, this is no-brainer upgrade. It keeps your camera alive so you can stay focused on what actually matters, making awesome content. No more battery anxiety, just smooth uninterrupted session. Honestly, this should be your first thing in your creator toolkit. Alright guys, if this video helped you, hit that like button. Seriously, it tells the algorithm I'm not just talking to myself here. And until next time guys, let's make moments we can never forget. Did I forget something?